Hey, it's Jennifer. I'm just gonna walk around this 2016 Ford Expedition and show you around. So yeah, let's get going. So just as a reminder, this one has about 106,000 miles. It's in really great condition. It's just a little bit dirty, which of course during pollen season all of the cars are. I do see a little bit of scratches on this side. You can kind of tell, but not really. But I'm just going to keep walking around it and just notate anything that I see that's a little bit out of the ordinary. But again, just a few scratches that have to do with the age of the vehicle, but no major dents, nothing super crazy. And then I'll go inside in just a few minutes just to show off the interior. We'll look at the trunk and everything else. So let's see. So this is what the driver's side looks like. The driver seat. No holes, not a lot of wear and tear in any of the seats, to be honest. And it does come with a third row. This is what the interior looks like. And as you can see, 106,000 miles. I'll go ahead and start her up and then we'll do the rest of the walk around. This door. So right off the bat, it looks like it needs some gas, which is fine. We'll be more than happy to put. And then it looks like you have your radio right here, AC, which is very important. Let's max that out. It's 80 something degrees over here. You can open up the trunk with that. You have Sirius XM. And then over here, you have your original books. Here in the middle console, you could charge your phone. And then I'm gonna go ahead and check out the rest of the vehicle. We'll open up the trunk so you can see how much space you have. And also I'll take a video of the engine. So you do have a third row back here. The seats do go down. You'll just press this button right here and then they'll manually go down, and you can press that button as well to make them manually, or I should say automatically, go back up. Then you'll just press this button in case you want to close the back as well. And it does have a backup camera. There we go, 2016 Ford Expedition. So this is what the engine looks like and what it sounds like. It's actually pretty quiet. Let me see if you can see in there. Radiator. And we'll go look at the trunk.